Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our June Allure Beauty Box. For those of you who are not familiar with it, I will leave all the details down below so that you can check it out for yourself. Okay, now I do want to let you know a couple things, like the fact that this box is $25 per month and we get a combination of full size and sometimes sample size or travel size items. Okay, now when we open up the box, it says, "We know beauty best." Allure has been a touchstone in the beauty community or industry for more than 30 years. We literally invented beauty journalism back when the first issue of Allure was published. Now we have what we call the mini mag, and it's this one right here, and it lets you know about all the items that we have inside, a description of each item, the cost, and where you can get your hands on a nice discount. Okay, now then we have a information card about the 2026 limited edition Reader's Choice Award box that is available. It looks like that has a lot of goodies in it, and there is a special price for Allure Beauty Box subscribers. Then they also have the GQ box, and this one is also a fragrance box, and it's just in time for Father's Day. All right, so let's just jump into the items that are in this month's box. Okay, so when we open up the mini mag, it says that our theme for this month is Summer Ready. How about that? All right, and there is a little message there from Sarah, who is the beauty director. Now, the very first item that we have, it says it was a choice item. And with it being a choice item, it's been a minute, and I don't remember choosing, but I have it. So maybe I chose it, maybe I didn't, but I'm okay with it. It says it's by First Aid Beauty. Sometimes it's the simple things that make the most impact. That's certainly the case with Fab's First Aid Beauty's skin and body care products, which are fit and formulated for sensitive types. You got to choose one of these 4 full-size heroes to receive in this month's box. Now, they offered the After Shower Nourishing Body Oil, the Brightening Micro Powder Exfoliant, the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub, 10% AHA Fresh Strawberry, or Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. The product I received was the After Shower Nourishing Body Oil, and it's this one right here. And I will tell you this. This one is a 6 fluid ounce size. It says it is safe for sensitive skin. It has, plenty of benefits. Okay, it seals skin's moisture with nourishing hydration for a silky, smooth feel and a crisp tangerine scent. Okay, that's pretty good to know. Now, this one has a 12-month shelf life, and it's this one right here. All right, now I do want to tell you the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $36. Now, I want to also let you know that this one is a full-size product. All right, first full size in our box. All right, so we're just going to put this one to the side, and we're going to move right along to the next item that is included, which happens to be by Luna Nectar, and it's this one right here. And this one is the Futurized Botanical Retinol Alternative Boosting Serum. That is a mouthful, okay? Whew. All right, but it says, not every face can tolerate the power of retinol, but most can appreciate its more sensitive skin-friendly alternatives like bacacholi. I'm hoping I'm saying this right. The plant-based ingredient is packed into this serum to help target fine lines and smooth textures, just like the vitamin A derivative. Now, this one is a 1 fluid ounce size. Actually, it's a 1.01 fluid ounce size, and it's called Futurized Botanical Retinol Alternative Boosting Serum. Come on, y'all. I told you that is some kind of name. Now, it says it is a cruelty-free product, and it is dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, non-irritating, and suitable for sensitive skin. Okay, now let's see what kind of shelf life this one has. Well, don't see it on the box, but let's take a look at the inside. This is beautiful. This is what the inside product looks like. And this one also has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, frosted glass with the pump on the top. I like this. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $49. This one is also a full-size item. Now, I want to let you know the first 2 items that we have here, there is a coupon code to get at least 20% off from now until September. That's just the first 2, which happen to be full-size items. Okay, let's keep going. The next item that we have is by ACEOLOGY, and it's this one right here. And this one is the Here We Glow Berry Mask. And it says this berry yogurt look-alike may not be edible, but it certainly offers impressive antioxidant perks, just like the juicy fruits. Made with cannellin to deep clean and 5 different berries to fight free radical damage, wrinkles, and dark spots. This face mask gives tired skin a boost, leaving it with a soft radiance. All right, now this one is a 65 milliliter size or 2.9 fluid ounce size. This one is a cruelty-free product. And this one too has an 18-month shelf life. And I am so here for this. It gives us the directions. Now, in addition to it having an 18-month shelf life, it says this package expires in February of 2028. February 2028. All right. Nice to know. What are you thinking so far? Now, I do want to let you know this one is also a full-size product. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one, guess what? It is $69. We've already gotten 3 full-size items already. Keep that in mind. All right, and we're not finished yet. We're getting there, but not finished yet. The next item that we have is a fragrance. Now, this one is not a full-size item, but it is a travel size. This one is by L'Atelier Perfume, and this one is a hair and body mist. It says, if you've ever been to Paris, you've likely strolled through the lush Jardin du Luxembourg. If you haven't, a spritz or 2 of this flowery fragrance with notes of rose, violet, and jasmine will instantly transport you to the iconic garden, sprawling flowers and fruit trees. Okay, now as I stated, this one is a travel size. And let's see. This one has an 18-month shelf life. And it's a 10 milliliter size. Now, if you were to get the full size of this one, it would be 50 milliliters, so 5 times the size of this one, and the price would be $57. Now, outside packaging, this is what the inside packaging looks like. Now, we haven't had anything that we need to swatch as of yet, but I'm going to go ahead and spray this one now so that we can let it dry down. Oh, this is nice already, but we can let it dry down and I'll let you know what it smells like towards the end, okay? The next item that we have is by David's, and this is David's Hydroxy. It's this one right here, and it says this is a whitening and enamel health peppermint toothpaste. Okay, I'm here for that. It says, who says oral care can't also be chic care? David's mint green tube is filled with SLS-free peppermint paste that makes the twice daily chore of brushing your teeth look and feel a little more elevated. Okay, I'm here for that. Definitely here for that. Okay, and it says this one has, oh, okay. All right. I'm going to give you this long list right now. It says it's anti-plaque, fresh breath, remineralization, sulfate-free, fluoride-free with nanohydroapatite natural peppermint. This one is a 50-gram size and it is 1.7 ounces. Okay. This, of course, is what the outer packaging looks like. This is what the inside packaging looks like. Okay, and this one is quite lengthy as well, but in a good way. Naturally sourced. It is fluoride free with no sodium, no artificial flavors or colors, no preservatives, no animal testing, and it is proudly made in the USA. And it says healthy mouth, healthy you. All right, now, if you were to get the full-size product, it would be 4-ounce size, and the price would be $10.95. Okay, the last item we have is by Paul Mitchell, and it's one of 2 items. Now, the one that I received is the Paul Mitchell Clear. This one right here is the Jelly Mask. The other option was the Sculpting Foam. But this one says dry hair, there's a mask for that. Fighting dullness, there's a mask for that. The same mask. And it's this one right here with a fragrance-free formula. This translucent jelly-like treatment adds hydration and gleam to hair without fuss. All right. Now, this one is a 2-ounce size, but if it were the full size, it would be 8 ounces. Okay. It is sealed. Yes, I tried to open it, but it is definitely sealed. See? So, this is a product that we will be trying later on. Now, the full size would be $30. All right, y'all, that's the box. Tell me your thoughts. All right. As I stated, there's nothing for us to swatch on today. However, this fragrance is wonderful. Love, love, love the scent. It is not overpowering. It does not smell like an elevator full of old women with 10 different perfumes on. It actually smells very, very nice. Okay, well, I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our JUNE Allure Beauty Box. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included, full size only. Okay, now make sure you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. And if you have a comment, by all means, leave it down below. Let me know how you feel about it. Did we get the same items? Let me know, okay? And then make sure you subscribe, become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and it's easy on the pocket because it is free, all right? And then make sure you share this video with someone who may be considering the Allure Beauty Box. But most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.